Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonja and you're watching Domestic Diva. Today I'm super excited to be bringing you couple challenge invites that I am hosting. These are open invites, so everyone's welcome to participate. And they are DIY related, so if you have a DIY channel and you would like to join in, you are most welcome to do so. So the first one is, I have my little notebook where I had written them all down. The post date will be July 2nd, and it is a $10 dollar store DIY challenge. And the rules are, you have to create one or more. It would be interesting to see how many you can actually create for $10. So your budget is $10, and you can go to any dollar store to get your supplies from. So they're $10 dollar store DIYs. So like I say, it can be one or it can be four if you can make four. That's totally up to you. The upload date is July 2nd, 8 a.m. and I will have my playlist linked in the description box of the video for that day. So I will not be posting the playlist before that. It will be posted 8 a.m. of that in that video. The second one is July 23rd, and it is a home sign challenge. I invite everybody to create a home sign, any foam type you want. It doesn't have to be a wood sign, it can be on anything, but it has to say home, and it has to have the word home in it, and you can interpret it and create it any way you want to. It can, like I said, it can be on a wood sign, it can be on a cutting board, it can be on a really anything. The world is your oyster, how you want to create this. It can be farmhouse, it doesn't have to be farmhouse. It can be from Home Depot, it can be something that you are upcycling, creating a home sign. It can be materials can be thrifted that you are using to create this home sign. It really does not matter how you create it, it just has to say home. It has to have the word home. It can be welcome home or this is our home, but it has to have the word home in it. So the upload date for that one is July 23rd, 8 a.m. And the playlist will be linked down below. The last one is in August. So the last one is a Pinterest inspired DIY challenge. So you can create anything that you had found on Pinterest and wanted to recreate it, which technically a lot of our DIYs are like that, but this time I want you to show me what you are recreating, or show us what you are recreating. So there's no budget, it just has to be a Pinterest inspired, and you show us what you are recreating and how you had interpreted that item and created your own. So it doesn't have to be like the spitting image of it, but just your inspiration and what you had created. Like I said, no budget, there's no specific store you have to go to. You can create whatever you want as long as you show us what you are creating. And the upload for that one is August 13th at 8 a.m. So make sure you tune in that day and check for the playlist in my video. So a couple more rules that apply to all of them is you have to be subscribed to my channel, you have to mention my channel in the description box as well as in the video, and you have to link the playlist into your description box and let people know that there is a playlist for the challenge. And the last one is have fun. I hope that you guys will be joining me for these DIY challenge invites. It is I think it's a great way to grow your channel, to get to know other YouTubers, to expand your audience, and to have fun. And it gives you something in case if you're stuck and don't know what to do, it gives you an idea what to do. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you subscribed and join us in these challenges, either in creating or simply watching. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching. Oh, and before I forget, if you haven't heard my big news yesterday, make sure you check out that video. And I will also have the video from yesterday linked in my description box, so you can just click on it and watch it. There are some big news. So see you in my next video.